Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I will teach you how to make a thumbnail using PowerPoint 2013. And by the way, for those who are new here in my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. Okay, first let us open the PowerPoint here. Just double click. Okay. Okay, let us wait for the PowerPoint presentation to open. And then click the blank presentation. Then we will get this one. Okay. Next is, okay, you click insert here. And then pictures. This one. So before that, I already downloaded the pictures that I will use in my thumbnail. So I save it in my local SD, and then in my folder YouTube. Where's my YouTube? Okay, here, YouTube. So I already have here a background. So what background I will choose? This one. I like this one. Okay, this one. Okay, then you click. Okay, I click the picture, the image that I want, and then click here, insert, the lower part. Okay, insert. Okay, here's my picture, and then I will just drag it. Drag, and then adjust. Okay, so this image will be my background. And then I want to put a YouTube image because I want to, okay, I want to put YouTube image, this one. And then, okay, adjust again. I want to put it here. Okay, just drag. Okay. And then I want to write how to make thumbnail using PowerPoint. Okay. Just click insert, and then here in word art. Okay, you click the word art, then you choose. I want this one. Then you click. Okay, your text here, so you can edit. Okay, let's drag first, and then I will type the how to make thumbnail. Wait. Make thumbnail using MS or Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay, then you drag this one. As you can see, there's a 3 points here in between. Then when the arrow will change, like here, and drag. Okay, it's up to you on how you edit it. Okay, I want to make it bigger. Control Shift, then or you can just change the font size here in home, and then here 66. So I want to make it 70. Let us try. Okay, how to make thumbnail using Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay, click Format, Text Field, Text Outline. Okay, what color that I want? Red. Let's make it blue, and then the text field is yellow. Purple. Okay. Text outline, I want to make it black maybe, and then the weight. Okay. Bolder. Okay, this one. Okay, how to make thumbnail using Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So I think I need to put a picture of a Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay, again, you click insert because we're going to insert an image or a picture. Pictures, and then again I save it in my YouTube. Okay, here local SD and YouTube. Okay, we will find the Microsoft Office PowerPoint image. Okay, here it is. Okay, I already found it. Here, this one. And then just highlight or just click and then insert. Okay, insert. Here. And just it's up to you. Then I want to go to format, and then what do I want for this? Okay, that one circle. How to make thumbnail using PowerPoint presentation. Okay, just like that, and then I will go to File. Okay, let us click File, and then Save As. Here, Save As. Then, okay, let us save it in our desktop so that we can see it easily. Okay, desktop. Let us change the file name to thumbnail. Okay, and then here in Save As type, we will change this one, the PowerPoint presentation. Let us change that one into GIF graphics interchange format. I know. No, this one. JPEG file interchange format. Okay. Just click. And then you can see here, save as type. Okay. Let's put it here. The file name is thumbnail. Save as type. Okay, and then save. Then just this one. Okay. Let us go to our desktop. Let us see if it was saved already there. Okay, let us try to open this one. Just double click. So this PowerPoint becomes an image. So this is what we made. Okay, how to make thumbnail using Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Okay, don't forget to subscribe.